We're from New World. Yeah!
What's your nickname?
My nickname is Curly Brother. Curly Brother.
Okay, and you are?
And I am Mr. Pickles.
Any particular reason you eat a lot of pickles?
No, not really.
Okay.
They're like, you're going to be Mr. Pickles now. I'm like, okay.
Okay, Kelsey was helping you out today, right? Backstage?
Yeah, we practiced for a good solid 5 minutes, so get ready.
Okay. Hold on.
All right, then.
All right.
We have a special talent.
Yes.
We can sing and dubstep at the same time.
Yes, it's gonna be the new age.
You guys can look us up on YouTube.
Yes.
All right, come on, guys.
All right.
Come on back, dancers.
Come on. You guys can sing along too.
Yep.
To the tune of Justin Bieber's Baby.
Yeah, only it's Justin. All right.
Can everyone sing along?
Please.
You just sing Baby and then you just keep singing. Okay?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah?
All right.
All right, ready? Okay, here we go. It's on the beat.